Hey everyone, yeah, so today is the day of the grand opening of Redcoco. Oh my word, I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming, but we are here today and I'm glad I set the dates the way I did, because if you're not careful you'll keep adding and doing this and doing that. So yeah, so today is the day. So I am currently, I'm so looking forward to it. So I'm actually getting a Costa. This is the closest one to me, and so because I haven't had any food today, so as you can see the busyness, so I'm just gonna go have a oat latte with a caramel shot, and I'm gonna go up. I've got, the car is full of stuff. You can see my outfit is in the back, absolute filled with things. So I'm just gonna drop off stuff, everything that we need there. We're gonna be back and forth. I wish I could actually film it all to you, but if I film it you'll be all here and I'll still be in the car sitting down. So yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. So stay tuned and I can't wait to see you later on. Yes, thought this morning I'd get up and do my makeup first. So that's done and dusted, and all I have to do now is get ready and prep for you guys to come and see me and see the new place. Outfit of the day. Oh, hello. No, that's fine. It's gonna be the styling area. Yeah. And then I'll be with you. So, well, there's some people that came off the streets to see us. It was lovely. I was speaking to them, met some new clients, and we had plenty of food, which is all finished here now. Yeah, so I am ever so happy that I decided to go with today, and it's just, I did like mini tours and around the salon, and then I did a speech for thank you, and it was just lovely. Everyone was just so nice, and yeah, so we hope to do this in mini versions again, and we had a lovely time here, and you know, so grateful to actually be able to have this opportunity and the blessings of my new hair salon. So I will continue filming if I can in between, and yes, I'll stay all day. Yeah, so we're going to like tidy up now. Yeah, so I was saying it's such a fantastic night. I had a lot of fun. I love talking to my clients, catching up with them outside the hair salon, because usually that's where we see each other. So it's nice to be in a social setting, food, drinks, good music, and some new ones that we met today. So that has been really fantastic. Superb.
Thanks guys for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next vlog.